We were a three-generational family, so it's not common nowadays, but Granny stayed with us in the house and I shared Granny's bed. Granny's Doric she was born in Migby and actually in Cool, and she went to school in Migby, and at that time they were reckoned to be speaking in mid-Victorian Doric. So the language I learned from Granny was mid-Victorian Doric, very thick. My dad couldn't speak English. He was manager of a bus company. He left school when he was 12 and later on managed his sister's D-side bus service from Braemar to Aberdeen. So on the Braemar bus service, everybody spoke Doric. So he spoke Doric. My mother, she understood Doric, she spoke Doric, but when she answered the phone, she had her telephone voice and she spoke English and was very polite. I went to Mile End, which was a West End school, but they were quite relaxed about Scots, and we got a lot of Scots songs, and you were allowed to say I instead of yes.